In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Counter-Strike 2 unable to establish connection with game server. So first, we need to reset internet connection and clear cache files on computer. So in your search bar, just go ahead and type in cmd or command prompt and then run as administrator. So a new window will pop up and you need to enter these three commands. Okay, so the first one is type in ipconfig /flash DNS and then hit enter. The second one is net winsock reset, hit enter again. And the third one is net forward int forward IP reset and hit enter. So once done, you just have to reset your computer. So next we have to clear Steam cache files. So in your left corner you will see here the Steam. Just go ahead and click that one and select settings. So under settings, just go ahead and click on downloads. And you will see here the clear cache button. You just have to click that one and tap confirm. And once you're done, you just have to log in again to your Steam account. The third ways to fix this one is we need to change the DNS server. So maybe we have problem with our internet connections. Now to do this, you just have to go to your search bar and then type in control panel and then click on network and internet and then select network in sharing center. So in here, click your internet and go to properties. So in here, you need to double click the protocol version 4 and then click the use the following DNS server address. And then you just have to type in the address 8.8.8.8 and from the bottom, just type in 8.8.4.4. So once you're done with this, you just have to save the changes you've made. And then let's move on to the fourth step. We need to reinstall Steam without deleting games. So for example, let's go to our library and then right click on Counter-Strike 2 and go to properties again. Click on installed files and then you will see the browse button. You just have to click that one and a new window will pop up. So in here you need to delete all the files except its Steam apps, user data, what else, the Steam X files. So don't delete that one, but the rest you just have to delete them all. So once you're done deleting all the files, you just have to click on the Steam folder again and then it will start downloading. So all the files in your Steam or in your Counter-Strike will re-download. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.